next question is for Direk Loren. Kaya lang wala pa siya, mamaya na lang yun. Kinakabahan din ako magtanong kay Direk Loren. Okay lang din yun na wala kasi Direk. Tsaka lang muna Direk. In the meantime, I would like to ask Crystal, Luke, Ralph, and Luis. Your question is, ano yung learnings na nakuha nyo noong season 1 na ina-apply nyo? Kamay po tayo sa dibdib. Thank you so much. Na ina-apply nyo ngayon sa new season. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, Ralph. Yes.
Yung natutunan ko sa first season, very much more on being more emotionally open. Kasi nga, as you know, Atom in season 1 had struggles with heavy mental issues. Other than mental issues, yung social issues niya sa school, with Dino. So eventually in season 2, I made sure to, apply what I learned. Tapos, be more open and be more responsive kung ano yung binapato sa akin ng kapwa-artista ko, whether it be Luis or sila Harvey na ka-extend ako. So I really, that's something that I really found very important when it comes to, developing your own character, lalo na season 2 to eh. So you also obviously have to add a new layer to your character and add a new sort of development.
Adding new layer to the character. That's the lesson you learned. Thank you very much, Ralph. Now let's proceed to Crystal.
For me naman po, syempre, I think I myself, I saw a lot of improvement from season 1. So syempre, nahirapan po ako sa Tagalog. And ako naman as a person, I'm mahimhin and I'm shy. So what I learned from season 1 is how I need to build my confidence to portray this character. Kasi si Tanya naman, she's influencer, she's bubbly. I'm bubbly naman, pero Tanya's more of the extroverted side of me. So what I learned from that is, parang I just really had to put my confidence up to portray Tanya talaga. And also naman, I can say naman my Tagalog improves sa season 2. And na-add ko din yung mga Bisaya words. So I was able to add more Bisaya. Of course, I'm a proud Boholana, so it's nice that I was able to represent my island and also add some of my dialect into the script.
Well, thank you for adjusting din. I know coming from the province din, I know how hard it is to adjust from Bisaya to Tagalog, and you're doing a great job. Thank you for adjusting. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, to answer the question, Luke.
Okay.
Sobrang ganda.
Wala ba?
Sorry, wala.
Ako as a person, parang mas pinanood ko ulit yung season 1. So, si Kokoy kasi season 1 parang mas siya, mas Kengkoy, diba? Dun nakilala si Kokoy as Kengkoy sa mga tropa, kay Jakes, kay Atom. And sa season 2 siguro mas malakas yung loob niya. Mas pinakita niya na mas malakas yung loob niya sa mga bagay at mas naging sure siya sa mga gusto niya. So, and meron siya mga intense scenes. So, parang inaral ko rin kung paano si Kokoy sa mga intense ng mga scenes. So, yeah.
Intense in what way?
Secret.
Uy, ito naman, di ba yan reveal? Ano ba yan? Para maging lively.
Panoorin
na lang natin. Sige, ito naman eh. Salamat, Mayor. Parang you're giving kanina Mayor, vibes. Ikaw ba nakita mo yung sarili mo in the future, look, magiging Mayor someday?
Hindi siguro.
Hindi pa.
Kapitan na lang.
Kapitan, no? Sa bagay. Bagets pa naman kasi, Luke. Thank you, Luke. Ayan. And of course, si Luis naman to answer that question. Ay, sorry na lang. Sorry na. O yan. Go, Luis.
So, ayun po. Natutunan ko sa season 1 kung ano yung mga trauma ni Dino. And pinag-aralan ko siya para mas ma-deepen sa season 2. Kasi, yun nga sinasabi ng nagtuturo sa akin sa acting coach ko. You're only good as your last work. So, lagi may improvement na pwedeng dumating. Tapos, syempre nandun yung drive para matuto. Kasi, siya, hindi mo ma-master yung acting, para siyang flow ng water. Kailangan mo lang mag-adjust. So,
Thank you. Acting is like water. It make you sway, make you water. Make you lose your mind. Make you water. Thank you for the learnings. Ayan. And next we question for Harvey. Okay lang, Harvey. Ang tanong!
Yes.
Sa nagpa-practice ako maging game show host ng mga boss natin eh. Akala kasi para isip sila, kailangan natin ng babaeng game show host.
Parang pwede.
Dito naman! Sige na, Harvey, ito na lang yung question. Eto, ikaw na, according to this question, no, ikaw na daw yata ang pinaka-busy na artista ngayon ng ABS-CBN dahil bukod sa High Street, Pamilya Sagrado, at eto ngayon meron kang Zoomers. How do you manage your tune in doing all the projects? So yung kanina is how do you detach each character? So ito more or paano ba?
Parang separate each
Yes,
character. Malaking tulong din yung environment on set. Kasi syempre kada production, iba-iba yung crew, iba yung kasama mong cast. So malaking tulong din yung pag binababad ko yung sarili ko in each production. Kasi like I said, iba yung crew, iba yung cast. Ito si Ralph kasama ko sa High Street, si Luis kasama ko sa Pamilya Sagrado. And it's all very different directors. So, malaking tulong yun. Malaking tulong din yung rest days in between the tapings. Luckily naman, yes, sabay yung release. Pero during the shoot, magkalayo naman yung taping days for each production. So it wasn't too hard to adjust to the character, getting back into the character. With Jigs naman kasi malapit naman si Jigs sa puso ko. Very much related. I very much relate to the character. So it wasn't too hard to get back into Jigs. Kay Wesley naman, mas regular naman ako sa High Street, so it's not that hard to maging psychopath ulit. Tapos ano naman, sa Pamilya Sagrado, ina-appeal lang naman ako doon. So, hinahabol lang ako doon ng GSX. So, yeah, I mean, luckily, iba-iba. Pero it wasn't too hard kasi yun nga, magkalayo naman yung taping days nila.
Thank you, Harvey. Itong next question ko is for Sir Ted. Sir Ted, eto. Ang tanong, paano sir nag-evolve yung actors or paano nag-evolve ang actors na part ng Zoomers from the time na in-audition nyo sila to now? All eyes on you!
Wala. Hindi, actually, ang maganda kasi sa kanila since they audition, they know how important it is to get a role, whether it's minor or major. Alam nila yung importante because before Zoomers, they've been auditioning with for other shows. So, syempre naman si Derek Lauren. Yun. Actually, kita niyo yung mga sagot nila, napakaseryoso. So, ibig sabihin nun, they really studied their roles. Sobra nilang pinag-aralan yung script. Sobra silang, ang director namin si Direk Kevin, he's a very collaborative director. So they were able to consult with him kung ano yung mga questions about their characters, about the scenes, and makikita ninyo pag napanood nyo yung show how improved they are sa season na to.
Thank you, Sir